Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly lecture video. So as we move into week 16, the only activity that we have on the boards here is discussion board 16, Initial post for that is due on Tuesday, response is due on Friday. This is exercise 5.1 out of the Curious Researcher. So if I get to the modules here, okay, we're looking at exercise 5.1. And it's a pretty straightforward exercise if you read through all of the activity that they talk about here, basically highlighting where your voice is located in the draft, along with your source information. You can use a couple of different colors between, in your Google Doc or a Word document to highlight. What this will demonstrate is where your active is way in the author or you're relying too much on your source information. It's quite an enlightening activity at this point. You've prepared your first draft. Hopefully you'll be able to see some of the observations that I've had over the course of the last week or so in looking at all the first drafts. So it is a helpful activity to help promote your revision of the first draft into the final draft assignment. So also too, and I'll be talking about this in the lecture video this week, is the final essay assignment instructions. As you'll see here, once again, I have an example and an instructional video and all the requirements and criteria for the final draft. You will notice that more than likely most of them, these points were up for the first draft. All right, and we're looking at really some detailed proofing on the final draft and the requirements. Okay, so once again for this week, let me get to the announcements. We simply have the exercise 1.5 lecture video will be out by about Thursday. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.